Okay guys, in this video we're going to be checking out this camera today. This is an updated version of the Caddx Turbo SDR1. It's actually a mini-sized camera, but I have it here in the Space Wolf. Didn't like the camera that the Space Wolf came with, so I'm going to try this camera out in here. And I did swap the props out on this. I got the GemFan 3052 props, not the stock props it came with. I know that some of you guys were asking for a PID tuning video for the Space Wolf, but there really wasn't too many people that responded to that, so I'm just going to fly this with the camera and we'll just do a few full throttle punch outs to see what these props are like on these default PIDs. The image on this camera is pretty nice. It's a little cloudy today. Actually pretty cloudy. So not the best colors, a little bit dark. Let's see what a full throttle punch out sounds like in this. So yeah, definitely I think the props help. Could still use a little bit of tuning, but I think props make a big difference. These GemFan props are much better balanced. Let's head over the tennis court here. Yeah, this is a pretty high resolution camera, about 1200 TV lines. I think that they changed the latency. I think they improved the latency on this and the color reproduction. I've been waiting for a sunny day to fly this, but it's been cloudy pretty much every day for the last week or so, and it looks like it's going to continue to be cloudy. So we'll just see what this looks like in these kind of conditions. If you want to see the previous review video on the first version that came out, I'll put a card in the corner to that video. You guys can compare. I believe that was on a sunny day though, so I might have to do another flight later and get some sunny day footage, but not too bad for a cloudy day. It's a little on the dark side. Colors are pretty saturated, especially the greens. The green and the grass. But you can see here, the pretty good definition in the clouds. They're not blown out like they were on the previous version, but that was a mostly sunny day versus a mostly cloudy day. So if the sky is really bright, perhaps you won't see as much definition in the clouds on a day like that, but we'll have to see. It seems like it's pretty good detail in the video. And it's interesting that this mini camera does fit the Space Wolf. You can see the props, but it does fit with the 3D printed mounts that I put on here. Let's see if we can get close to this fence here and see if we can't get some details. Or this basketball hoop. Bad video over here behind me. Pretty good detail in that tree there. So let's go back underneath these trees, see if we can see any scraggle. It's not too bad. There's a little bit of that, you can kind of see that shimmering that you get in the eagle on this one. Artifacting's not nearly as bad as the eagle though. There's a little bit of scraggle right there. Yeah, pretty good resolution in this camera. Pretty good detail. I don't have my onboard recording set up in this one because I don't have anything yet for that for mini-sized cameras. So I've mostly been doing micro-sized cameras on my. I have two setups for those onboard recordings. So if you guys are wondering why I'm not using that, that's the reason why I don't have a setup for the mini cameras. Anyway, I think that's going to do it for this video. Yeah, this camera seems to be pretty good, and I believe that all of the current shipping versions will be the updated version if you guys are wondering. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.